Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can edit GST settings in Xero, so let's get started. Editing your GST goods and services tax settings in Xero is important for compliance, but the ability to make changes depends on what you're trying to edit. Settings, tax rates, or transactions. To change your main GST reporting settings, navigate to the Accounting menu and select Advanced, then click on Financial Settings. Here you can update your GST basis like accrual or cash, and your GST period like monthly or quarterly. If you need to edit the GST on a specific transaction, go to the invoice, bill, or manual journal, and if the transaction is still in draft or awaiting payment approval status, simply open it and change the tax rate on the line item for a paid transaction. You typically have to void or reverse it first before making the correction. For managing the default tax rates used across Xero, return to Accounting, select Advanced, and then choose Tax Rates. From here you can edit the name or rate of existing custom tax components, or add a new tax rate if needed, ensuring you clearly define the tax type and the percentage. Just remember, making significant changes to reporting settings should only be done at the start of a new GST period, and always consult your accountant before modifying tax rates that Xero uses for calculating your returns. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.